swim.
I
Don't
wanna
kill.
swim.
Yeah, she wants
Let
to
me
swim,
swim.
Jerry.
Let
Kill
me
her,
swim.
Jerry. Kill her. Kill her now. Murder. Oh, yeah, good boy. Good boy, Jerry.
How to sell on Amazon in 50 seconds. First step, go to sell.amazon.com to become an Amazon seller. Second step, go to helium10.com and use their filters to find viable winning products. I put 10,000 for the monthly revenue for the product, and as you can see it showed an LED light up dog leash, and this makes nearly $12,000 in revenue every single month. Next, buy the product for as low